Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Toyota 86. First, begin by lightly sketching the fundamental geometric shapes that will form the car's basic structure. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions and perspective. Next, carefully outline the main body contours, paying close attention to the vehicle's distinctive sporty profile. Remember to keep your lines light and adjustable at this stage. Now, let's refine the body panels, making sure all curves are smooth and flow naturally. Focus on the subtle indentations and raised areas that give the Toyota 86 its unique character. Then, carefully draw the wheels and tires, ensuring they are perfectly circular and correctly positioned within the wheel wells. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and door handles, as these small details significantly enhance the drawing's realism. Moving on, it's time to add more intricate details. Carefully draw the windows, considering how light might reflect off them to create a sense of depth. Next, focus on the rear of the car, adding the distinctive spoiler and the dual exhaust pipes, which are key features of the Toyota 86. If visible, lightly sketch some interior elements, like the seats or dashboard, to give your drawing more life and authenticity. Finally, let's bring your drawing to life with shading and highlights. Use varying pencil pressures to create shadows that define the car's contours and give it a three-dimensional appearance. Add bright highlights where light would hit the surfaces, making the car truly pop off the page. This step adds significant realism and depth. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as clean as your drawing is sharp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.